Hey everyone, this is Kayla with AllProWebTools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fields in your sign-up box optional. Here we can see on the left-hand side that there are standard fields, and below there are custom fields. Custom fields can be used if you have the CRM Pro Web Tool. Now, if we click and drag a field into the middle section underneath My Sign-up Box, we can see it change on the right-hand side where it says Sign-up Box Preview. So I want their name and their email and their company. And I actually want their company to be in between the name and the email. I can simply click and drag it where it's highlighted and then drop it. And that can be undone by going back. Once you have all of the fields you want in your sign-up box, you can click this check mark here to determine if you want it to be required to fill out by the lead or customer before they are able to hit submit. This is a really helpful tool in making sure that your leads are filling out the basic information you need from them, and that will help guarantee your ability to contact them. If we click the check mark, it turns into a question mark. This indicates that the field is not required. If you hover your mouse over the icons, it will also let you know if you had chosen it to be required or optional. Just a reminder, email cannot be optional, no matter if you click here. It is required in order for your customer to hit submit. All of these optional abilities only apply to fields that someone can type into. So this doesn't apply for dropdowns or calendar fields. Let's say that I do want a dropdown box to be optional. I can make one of my fields not applicable, unknown, or doesn't apply. If we want to create a custom field that is a dropdown with not applicable, we can easily do that. Let's hit save. And we can hover over contacts and click on custom fields. Just a reminder that this feature requires the CRM Pro Web Tool. We can click here where it says add new. We can click on the drop-down box and click drop down. Now here in the field 8, I can click on that and I can rename it. And once I click that green check mark, it's going to save it. It is a drop down, and now I can click here to set options. Let's add a few set option choices. So my question is, who referred you to us? I can add a new set option where a choice can be a friend. I can also add a new choice that it can be an online ad. And I also have a Facebook page. I want to know if people view my Facebook page and go onto my website from there. I also want to allow an option for it being not applicable and thus making it an optional field. Now that I have all of the choices that I would like for options for them to click on, we highly recommend making the unknown or not applicable being the top in the drop-down list. In order to do that, we can do that the exact same way we edited our sign-up box. We can click right here and drag and drop it where it's highlighted. So now it's up here at the top. I'm going to hit save, and now we're going to connect it to our sign-up box. We're going to press that edit. And here we can see the custom field that I just created, who referred you to us. I'm going to click and drag that here into my sign-up box. And we can see it loads the preview, and I have my drop-down box right here. So if they click not applicable, it is an optional drop-down box. They don't have to choose one of these 3 options. They can say not applicable. Also, if we wanted to add a comment box, we can go ahead and click and drag it. And you can see here where I said comments, it's now up there in my sign-up box. So they can add comments if they would like. Once all the changes have been saved, we can click Save, and it will bring us to this page where we can copy the widget of the sign-up box we just created. As you can read here below the sign-up box, you can paste this widget into any of your AllProWebTools pages, or if you have WordPress, you can use the AllProWebTools WordPress plugin to display the sign-up box on your website. That's how you make fields in your sign-up box optional. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy helpful videos like this, please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified when AllProWebTools posts videos to help you manage your business, just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.